This is a jack plane. This is a planing tool. This is an iron jack plane, and this is a wood jack plane. To set a jack plane, first you got to see if it is sharp. Now we shall come to the parts of the jack plane. This is the knob. This is the sole, S-O-L-E. This is called a frog. This is called a frog of the jack plane. This is called the adjusting screw. This is used for, if you can see, when I move this, you can see a small lever here that moves back and forth. Okay, so it is used for moving your cutting edge forward or backward. Now we shall see how to set. This lever is used for adjusting. At times your cutting edge is slightly inclined on one side. So when it is inclined, it cuts only one side. So to adjust it, we require this. If you can see here, see now. Can you see? With that lever it moves. So first of all, we check if the cutting edge is sharp. If it is not sharp, we use a tool. This is called your emery stone, which is used for sharpening. When we use this stone, we sprinkle some water and we hold it fixed at an angle and slide it. We do not slide it with our angle changed at a fixed angle. If you slide it like this, there are chances that you will get a rounded edge and your cutting edge will be flat and it won't cut. Next thing to see is the distance between the cutting edge and the edge of the wedge. This is called a wedge. There are two parts here. So you can loosen this using a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and loosen it, adjust it to roughly around 3 to 5 millimeters. Can you see this edge? Okay, it is 3 to 5 millimeters. After you set that, then you place it. And you see that the cutting edge should be with eye contact. You should see that it is just around 0.5 millimeters above the sole. Okay. Now we lock it in this position using our locking lever or locking plate. Once it is locked, it is ready for use. This is our stock. On the stock, first we can mark the width or the thickness that we require and see that it goes parallel. But before you start using it, first you should stand in a proper posture. To stand in the proper posture would mean one leg or your right leg backward, depending whether you are a right-handed or left-handed person. If you are a right-handed person, your right leg will be backward, left leg will be forward, and you lean a bit and you position the jack plane at the end of the block and there should be curls like this formed. So then, why is this done? This is done specifically to check if a surface, we require a surface that is flat. So to flatten a surface we require, if you see, there's no gap in between, or very little gap. So now this edge was not touched, so we take this edge in front and we plane it. So this was about planing. Similarly to this is the wooden jack plane. To set this, first check if the cutting edge is sharp. Then we place the cutting edge with the taper facing downward. The wedge coming on it, and it is tapped. See, now there is no material being coming, so we tap it slightly more in front. It's getting loose. So tap the wedge, and this is how you do it.